Ready to turn that little piece of plastic into a mountain of orange chicken and fried rice? Whether you're craving a quick lunch or a family dinner, using your Panda Express gift card is super easy, both in store and online. Let's dive in. First, if you are heading to a Panda Express restaurant, take your gift card with you. When you're ready to pay, simply present your gift card to the cashier. They'll scan the card or manually enter the gift card number. The amount will be deducted from your gift card balance if your purchase exceeds the gift card value. You can cover the difference with cash, credit card, or another payment method. Want to redeem your gift card online? Unfortunately, Panda Express does not currently allow gift card redemption for online or app orders. Your gift card can only be used for in-store purchases. Just remember, your Panda Express gift card is basically cash, so treat it with care. It's not replaceable if lost or stolen. So there you have it. Now you're fully equipped to maximize that Panda Express gift card. Go forth and enjoy your delicious American Chinese cuisine.